Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. All right, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm your host, Jacob Letman. Today, we get set to take on a quite exciting adventure here on the Rideshare Hub. We're going to talk about 5 ways that you can turn your mundane, everyday Uber and Lyft driving into an exciting adventure. Yeah, and the best way to do that is to speak in an accent that isn't yours. I'm just kidding. Definitely don't do that. That was a really weird thing to do. Okay, so before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you do that, because that's the only way that you're going to get all the exciting information that we have to bring to you. Also, if you haven't started driving for Uber or Lyft yet, make sure that you drop down into the description below, where you will find links that you can click on to get a sign-up bonus and make some extra money while you get started driving for Uber and Lyft. Cha-ching! Do it. To it, Lars. All right, number 1 thing that you can do to make driving for Uber and Lyft more exciting is something that I like to do when I have to do things that I don't like to do. Things like chores, cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing. I really despise ironing. But that thing is listening to music. Yeah, of course, listening to music makes everything better. So, why don't you do this? Why don't you get Spotify or your iTunes account, and you make a sweet music playlist with a bunch of music that you like to listen to, because you're going to be cruising in your car all day, so you might as well have tunes that you like to listen to. I recommend keeping it PG-13 so that it is enjoyable for all guests that will be in your vehicle, but that's just me. Number 2, come up with fun questions to ask your passengers. Things that aren't just small talk, like, hey, how's your day going? Are you from Phoenix originally? Boring stuff like that. Although there is a place for those questions, but come up with fun things. I'm actually going to be creating a video with a whole bunch of fun questions that you can pull from if you ever feel the need. Here is a little taste, a little example. You can ask your passengers, what is the most beautiful thing that you have ever seen? It's a really good question. It will cause your passengers to stop and think and ponder. And you'll also get some really cool responses. So, there's that for you. Number 3, treat yourself. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. Treat yourself. All right, what does that mean? Well, there are days, believe it or not, that I wake up and I'm like, oh my goodness, I do not wish to drive for Rideshare anymore. But I need to make some money. So what I do is I go down to my favorite coffee shop and I get my favorite latte, which is a raspberry white chocolate latte. Not too sweet. Very good. It's also like $7 with a tip. But that's nothing new. And so anyway, yeah, the days that I'm not feeling it, I treat myself. I go and I get that delicious latte, and that puts me in a better mindset. I'm listening to my good tunes, and I'm drinking my favorite drink. Number 4, take breaks. That's the friggin' best, one of the best things about driving for rideshare is that we don't have a set schedule. So, take some breaks. I set up my schedule so that I drive in the morning through the rush, and then when things slow down for me around 11ish, I stop, I get some food, and then I go and practice golf for like 2 or 3 hours because that's what I love to do. And it gives me a break from driving, and then I feel re-energized, refueled, and I'm good to go back out driving again. So, take some breaks. And then number 5, ways that you can make driving for rideshare more exciting for you and for your passengers. Look up some tasteful jokes. Keyword being tasteful. This is fun because it's a great way to get some laughs out of your passengers, engage them. They have more fun. They're probably going to tip you better. And it's just fun to tell some funny jokes. You don't have to be a comedian to recite jokes. Here's one. Told my wife she was drawing her eyebrows on too high. She looked surprised. Tasteful and cheesy, but slightly funny. Alright, that's what I have for you guys today on 5 ways that you can make driving for rideshare more exciting. If you like this video, share it, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate that. You can follow me on Instagram at jacob.letman. You can follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. And that's it. That's all. So until the next time, everybody, stay classy.